How to use rosemary essential oil for hair growth for quick and best results. There are 3 main ways to use rosemary essential oil. Watch the video to know how to correctly use the rosemary essential oil for hair growth for quick and best results. Here are a few ways to try using rosemary essential oil as a hair restorative and thickener. Try any of these treatments 1 to 2 times per week to start out. Use them more often when desired or you've become comfortable using them. Rosemary essential oil is the purest form of rosemary plant, which is one of the best therapies for damaged and no-growth hair. It has therapeutic benefits for long and voluminous hair. It stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. You will see the difference in 30 days from less and damaged scalp to healthy and nourished hair. It is very quick and easy to apply without any harmful chemicals. You will see the benefits of essential oils and how to use it in the best possible way. It is a very safe natural oil, hence you do not have to worry about any side effects. First method is massage it directly into your scalp. Take about 5 drops of rosemary essential oil and massage evenly into your scalp after bath or shower. Mix with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Rinsing out the oil afterward is optional. Though if you do rinse, let the oil sit on your scalp for at least 5 to 10 minutes beforehand. Second method is mix it into your shampoo. This can also apply to conditioners, lotions, or creams. Play it safe and don't add too much. Keep to about 5 drops per ounce of product. Afterward, use the product like usual. You can also add 2 to 3 drops directly to any hair product when you apply a dollop of it on your palm before use. Third method is add it to your own homemade shampoo. There are many recipes online for a shampoo base. You can also add essential oils for your preferred health and beauty benefits. These may incorporate a mixture of baking soda, coconut oil, essential oil, and possibly other oils. Rosemary has been used by many to promote hair growth successfully. Using rosemary essential oil could very well do the same for you. I hope this video helped you with rosemary essential oil and hair. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then be sure to subscribe for more. And I'm always looking to make more of what you want to see. So leave a comment below and let me know what video I should do next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.